Need to see a doctor fast? Here's how iHEAL 24/7 gives you urgent medical care in just one tap. Before you start, make sure your My Pocket Doc device is turned on and connected. Make sure you sign your email and password. Then, click Login. Once you're done, you'll see the homepage. Click Consultation to start your call. Choose for urgent medical call. Next, choose any doctor you want, and click Calls when you're ready. You are now in consultation. Please begin by sharing your symptoms with the doctor. Now starting your vital assessment, stay comfortable while we get your health readings in just few minutes. Firstly, do respiratory rate. Place your left thumb on the blood oxygen sensor and 3 fingers on the back metal plate. Results will appear on your app screen. Second, for blood pressure, wrap cuff around your arm and place My Pocket Doc device on holder. After that, check your result on the app screen. Then, for temperature, hold My Pocket Doc ECG sensor must 90 degrees into your forehead. Lastly, for SpO2, place your middle finger on indicator when light turn red. Wait for 30 seconds. Check result on the app screen. Once your vitals assessment are checked, your new score will appear. Review your health status and follow the doctor's advice if needed. After that, make sure the doctor understands your symptoms, then you can end the call. Give a star rating for your doctor call, click Confirm, and you're done. Easy, right? To learn more about how to use My Pocket Doc, subscribe to our My Pocket Doc YouTube channel.